Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily download a Facebook video in your mobile device, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Facebook and then find the video that you want to download. Once you find it, tap on share right here and then drag from the bottom and tap on copy link. Once you copy the link, go to your web browser and paste the link in the text box and tap on OK. Once the link opens, tap on share again right here and copy the link once again. This time paste it in the text box in the top and then go and drag right here, delete the www and replace it with mbasic. And then tap on OK. When this page loads up, just go ahead and long tap on the video and you will get an option to download it, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.